Is the Screamer. Woo! Look at that. What is going on? What's up, everybody? My truck is a mess. I've been running a crazy amount of errands today. I've been to Home Depot, I've been to Amarillo Auto Supply twice, I've been to O'Reilly's, AutoZone. Just a bunch of little things now that we're really getting towards the end. So tonight we hope to actually weld up the exhaust now that we have the correct pieces. So we were originally going to do aluminum. We didn't have the right flange. They don't make that V-band flange in a 3 5/8 in aluminum. So we're scrapping the aluminum idea, keeping the flange we already have. Joseph luckily somehow found some 90-degree 3.5-inch stainless steel around town that a friend had because all the local shops didn't have it, and it was going to be pretty expensive to get it here overnight so that we could work on it over the weekend. So I hit up a couple friends and one person actually had it. So super awesome. We have this stainless steel to build the exhaust now, and I cannot wait to get that done. Things I picked up today, I picked up 28 feet of vacuum line. Now I don't know if we'll need that much, but we may, because I've got the boost controller inside the car. We're gonna mount that inside the car. We're not gonna mount it up tonight, but we're gonna start running the vacuum lines either tonight or tomorrow. And we've got two wastegates, a blow-off valve, and so there's, you know, and the two wastegates are on the opposite sides of the motor, and then you got the blow-off valve over here on this side. And so there's just a lot of routing, and we're gonna try and route it really cleanly and hide everything. So it's gonna take a lot of hose. So we got 28 feet of that. Got some fittings for the overflow coolant expansion tank. Hopefully those fittings work out. Had to get an extra hose for the coolant expansion tank, and the other hoses should work. If not, I'll go pick up some more. There's a guy behind me with no windshield. This is quite interesting. I wonder how that'll play out for him. That's a bold move. Anyways, I'm trying to see. I got some stuff to replace all of the stuff I've been borrowing from Joseph. I borrowed a shit ton of zip ties, a bunch of electrical wire, a bunch of electrical tape. So I went and picked up some supplies to replenish his that I've been borrowing. It's very nice of him to let me borrow his stuff. And so I'm just kind of replenishing that. What else did I get today? Sorry, I'm trying to look over. I don't know. Got some other stuff. Pretty much just fittings and hoses and some clamps. Pretty much small stuff. But Joseph did get the stainless steel exhaust so we can actually build the exhaust tonight. I did get a hole saw because that's right, we are putting the hood, or the exhaust, out the hood. That's what I've always wanted to do. I've had turbo cars before and I've never actually put the exhaust out the hood. But this car, we are putting the exhaust out the frickin' hood. So I found a hole saw today. Hopefully it's the right size. It's 3 5/8, and the actual exhaust will be 3 1/2. And then we'll get a little trim ring for it. You guys have probably seen them. They put them on bumper, fender exits. They put them on hood exits, but we're gonna get a 4-inch trim ring, and then we'll cut the hole 3 5/8, and then the exhaust will be 3 1/2. So it should work out pretty good. If not, we'll just have to kind of smooth out the inside to make it larger if we need to. I don't know if we'll finish the exhaust tonight. I don't know if we even cut the hood, but I'm gonna keep this vlog going so you guys can see it in this video. But we did get a hole saw to cut the hood. I'm hoping Brady comes over, our other buddy. I'm hoping he comes over and cuts the hood because I don't have the balls to cut my hood, and my cuts suck anyways. So we're hoping he comes over and cuts the hood. He loves to cut shit. He's the one that drilled my oil pan, and he seemed real confident doing it. So we are going to get over there. I've got to go train a few more people, and then we'll head over to Joseph's and get right into the Mustang build. All right, so we finally have the right material. Joe's gonna start tacking this up so we can start lining everything up in there. So we've got some stainless pipe now. All right, so there's the first start to the downpipe. We've just got this tacked to the V-band. Check out this sweet Band-Aid though. Shout out Rachel. I actually bought her these Band-Aids. She needed Band-Aids one day. So, pretty cool. So, then we're gonna come back, make like a little S right here, and then whoop, right out the hood. So Joseph's cutting the other pipe right now, and then this will be the end pipe to it. So then we'll line those up and tack them We'll show you guys those here in just a second. Sure. I think I'm gonna let go and see it move. Okay. Guys, we're here at Joseph Young in Joe's fabrication shop. Joe right now is welding the downpipe. Actually, we're just tacking it. We're gonna make sure it fits, don't we? All right, there it is, the screamer. Woo! Look at that. So this is just tacked up right now. Joseph's gonna lay some dimes here in a couple minutes. But who likes the hood exhaust? Can you show them just how perfectly straight this is? Show them the level, Joe. Guys, look at this. This guy's ridiculous.
Pretty straight.
Oh my goodness. The screamer. Now who thinks we should leave it that long? Oh man. Whoa.
Whoa. No.
We'll go manual focus here.
Oh, hold on. I lost it. Yeah, no.
There it is. Look at that. Kapow! In your face. Joe's Fabrication Shop. Call 1-800-I'd-Stack-Dimes. Ask for Joe. Man, look at that. Woo! Thoughts on the exhaust?
It's quiet.
Well, we haven't heard it yet.
Exactly.
It's gonna be loud.
It's quiet right
It might
now.
not be that loud. Just gonna send it.
Alright, whoa.
Wow! Okay. Gee. Oh. Alright guys, so that is the exhaust. Obviously it's not completely welded up. We just tacked it up. Funny story, I went this morning to refill Joseph's argon for the welding, and when I brought it back to Joseph, he tried welding up the exhaust, and we realized that they snaked us and did an argon mix with some other gas, so you can't actually use it for stainless steel. So luckily, we had someone reach out and they had some extra argon they let us use, but you won't find out till the next video if we completed it or not, because it might not be enough argon. But you'll find out on the next video, as we're gonna go over there tonight and see if we can finish up the exhaust, finish up a couple other small things. So we are getting so dang close. And obviously we're gonna chop the exhaust. We just have it extra long right now, and we'll trim it. Once it's fully welded up, then we'll trim it, figure out where we're gonna cut the hood at. But I'm super excited. I've always wanted an exhaust to come out of the hood, and I've never actually done it. But here we are. Exhaust is going out the hood. It's gonna be awesome. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the Mustang build. We are like a few days out from actually starting it. So we're gonna start it up just to make sure nothing's leaking this week. And then when I get back from Vegas, we'll actually start the tuning on the car. But I'm enjoying the build. Kennedy, are you? Yeah, she just wants to drive it.
Yeah, but you won't let me.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of power.
I can handle it.
What? So, make sure you guys always hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment and like down below. We'll see you guys on the next one. Oh man. Whoa.
Whoa. No.
We'll go manual focus here.
Oh, hold on. I lost it. Yeah, now it's a little off. Don't show that one.